This gotta be a carp. This has gotta be a carp. 100%. What do we got here? The rock bass or a smallie? It's smallie. Ooh, this is a pretty looking guy. Off the tube, very bronze. Not a huge one, but good start. Next cast. These little guys fight, I'll tell you what. Hunt up on a tree. He got hooked kind of weird underneath the chin. See ya, buddy. Slammed it. Little guy though. Or well, actually, okay, he's okay. He's not huge, but probably biggest of the day so far. Definitely biggest of the day. All right. Sweet. All right. Not bad. Oh, he swallowed that. Damn. He's bleeding a little bit. We're gonna get this guy back in the water. It's a big fish. I don't know if I snagged a carp or if this is like actually a bass. But if it's a bass, this is big. I think I snagged a carp. There's no way. There's no way this is a bass. There's no way. Oh my God. If it's a bass, guys. This gotta be a carp. This has gotta be a carp. 100%. Yeah, it's definitely not a bass. Maybe a pike, but it's not fighting like one. I think it's a carp. I think we got a carp, guys. Let's see. Let me just look at him. I just want to look at him. This has gotta be a carp. Or, oh my God, I don't know. I don't know. Is that a carp or what? If this is a bass. Oh yeah, it's a carp. I got real excited there. That's cool. I'll take a carp. He actually, it looks like he actually bit it though. It's in his mouth. You've got to be kidding me. Yeah, that's a decent sized carp. But oh my God, I thought that was a bass. You know, if that was a bass. Look at that big guy. See right there, right in the corner of the mouth, he hit that tube. Wow. Must have thought it was a grub. Anyways, I'll release this big guy and hopefully you can get some more bass, because that's what we're here for, huh? All right, now this is the species that we're targeting. Oh, whoa, 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 wait a second. Wait a second. That's a, oh my God. Wow, look at the size of that crappie. All right, this is turning out to be a pretty interesting day. That's a big crappie. Wow. All right, I'll take it. Thought it was a bass. Thought for sure it was a bass. Is this a bass or a crappie? Let's see. Might be a crappie. Oh no, it's a, oh, wow. Little largemouth bass. That's interesting. Wow, it's turning out to be a pretty good multi-species day. Got a smallmouth bass. It's a pretty one. Woohoo! Good looking fish. This might be the last one of the night, guys, and if it is, thanks for watching. Always a good time on the river. It was a really cool day. A lot of different species. I don't know, maybe I'll get another one. I'm just kind of drifting my way back here, so yeah. No. Got ourselves another one. Next cast. It's all right. Oh, he's still pretty small, but a little bit fatter. It's a little chunky guy. Wow. All right. Cool. Actually, that's not bad at all. Good stuff. This is a largemouth. I saw him jump before I got the camera on. Oh, that's a big largemouth. Wow. Okay, let's get him in. It's kind of crazy. Even a big largemouth like this doesn't even fight nearly as close like those smallies that are, you know, kind of small. Oh, he's off. Ugh. Well, you guys saw him. That was a good largie.